guys, welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Super late night again tonight, but we're working on the OBS. Well, we got some more Chrome issues, so let's check it out. All right, guys, so first off, rear bumper, just from sitting, you can see all the rust coming through the Chrome. Kind of sucks. So this was a brand new bumper. Just put it on March of 18, so it's a Sure Step. I think it's by like Fay. So I contacted the company. They're super cool, man. They sent me a brand new one, so let's go over here and check that out. Super cool. They got it out super quick. I emailed them pictures, my receipt, and they overshipped it from California to Florida pretty fast. So new one in the box. So we're gonna be getting that put on. So that's pretty cool. Then next issue we got going on with the OBS from sitting or just poor quality products is all the door handles already started to pit. So see, it looks pretty nasty. Contacted this seller and the guy said, sorry dude, you're out of luck. Nothing I can do on them, only a year warranty. So went and got with Dorman. And the sad thing is they look basically identical, like they're made by the same company. Just box different, but there you go. So we're gonna start getting all the door handles replaced again, which these things are kind of a pain in the butt because you need to pull the door panels and stuff off. So we're working on tonight. So I already got this door panel off. Had to replace the handle, and everybody has a issue with the broken handles, so I went to metal ones, black. Should look pretty good. So let me get started on this. Try to get the door handles in, and then go to the back door handles, get those all done. This will be a pretty short video, and then yeah, that's about it. So nothing too exciting, but just wanted to show you guys the other issues I was having with the truck. So we're gonna go ahead and get these two done, and then check back in with you. So if you're doing a door handle on these, if you've never done one, you can get to it right through here, and it's hard to see, but there is a bolt for the handle back in here. Both sides, you kind of need extension. Sometimes you can get it with a just a ratchet socket wrench. So yeah, dude, let's get it done. All right, guys, so while we got the door panel off, we're gonna go ahead and install the OBS Solutions fix for the switch just bouncing around. Super annoying. The plastic breaks out the top of the door panel. So you can see, so there's nowhere to screw the switch to. So they make this. So basically this bolts in from the back side. And you got this triangle piece that mounts in here. Something like that, I'm guessing. Drill 2 holes and then mount this up to that. And you're good to go. So we're gonna get that knocked out and then get the door panel and stuff put back together so we can get it back in the truck. I already got the one door handle on the front. See how nasty this one looks. Now I got a nice new handle on the front, so looking good again. The hardest thing with these door handles, I think, is getting the rod back on after you get it in. That kind of sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna get it, make sure it works real quick, and then go on to the next one. So let me get this door panel back together, show you guys what it looks like when it's done, and pretty sweet. I think this thing's like 40 bucks, something like that, aluminum. So nice. OBS Solutions, thanks, shout out, and you guys go hit up their website. I'll put a link down below where you can find their merch. So appreciate it, and let's get this thing back together. Alright guys, so super easy. Like I said, 1/4" holes. You just pretty much line up this side of the triangle, bolt in like that, and now you got somewhere to mount your screw. Mount your switch. You got screw holes right there to mount your switch. So I'm just going to trim down that tab a little bit so it doesn't rub. This one was already broken off all the way. Yeah, dude, and then get the door panel back on. So I already knew clips whenever I put these on before, so should go on nice and easy, and then we'll get on to the back door. All right, guys, that's a wrap. About to clean up this mess and get out of here. So got all new black handles in, and all new chrome handles on the outside. So hopefully these ones hold up more. Hopefully for a lot longer, and if not, at least these ones have a lifetime finish warranty. So they'll probably say that it's because I'm in Florida, but whatever. Figured the other ones only had a year warranty on it, so try to get them swapped out. So I got the door panels all back together. So the truck's starting to get there. Next we're gonna work on the radio, finish putting the engine back together, and then hopefully by then the new setup will be here for the wheels, and get this thing rolling again. So get it off these GM stocks. So that's about it for this video. Got the door handles replaced, got the door panel fixed, so rocking it out. Now we gotta clean up all the tools. Alright guys, appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for hanging in there. I know this video was kind of long and boring, but just trying to get the OBS back together. I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you for the support. Thanks for following me on Instagram. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next video.